In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the login failed or couldn't sign in error in Halo Combat Evolved. If you're running into this issue, keep watching until the end because this solution has helped many players. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful gaming tutorials. Now, let's get started. One of the most common reasons for this error is launching the game directly from its installation folder instead of using the official Steam launcher. If you've been opening the game's executable file manually, close the game completely. Then open Steam, go to your library, find Halo Combat Evolved, and click Play. If Steam asks you to choose a launch option, simply select the normal game launch option and continue. The first time you launch the game through Steam, you may be asked to link your Steam account with your Microsoft account. This is completely normal. A browser window or verification page will appear with a sign-in prompt. If a QR code is displayed, you can scan it with your phone or simply open the provided link in your web browser. Sign in with the Microsoft account you want to use for the game and complete the account linking process. Once your accounts are successfully linked, return to the game and launch it again. The game should now sign you in correctly, and the couldn't sign in error should be resolved. If you're still experiencing the problem, make sure Steam is in online mode and that you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account. After that, restart both Steam and your PC, then try launching the game again. That's it. After following these steps, you should be able to play Halo Combat Evolved without the login error. If this video helped you, please leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more gaming guides and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy gaming.